Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn about the sound the letter B makes, and that is B. Let's begin by looking at some words that begin with that sound. B is for ball. B, ball. B is for bunny. B, bunny. B is for banana. B, banana. B is for bottle. B, bottle. B is for bread. B, bread. B is for bat. B, bat. B is for boat. B, boat. B is for bed. B, bed. B is for bee. B, bee. B is for berries. B, berries. Practice makes perfect. So let's go through that sound one more time. B is for ball. B, ball. B is for bunny. B, bunny. B is for banana. B, banana. B is for bottle. B, bottle. B is for bread. B, bread. B is for bat. B, bat. B is for boat. B, boat. B is for bed. B, bed. B is for bee. B, bee. B is for berries. B, berries. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.